LoneStarRocker here at the doctor's office. This guy seems pretty cool so far. He's got some interesting stuff in his office here. Let's take a look. That is a certification that this flag was actually flown over the Alamo. It's pretty neat. Little Texas flag there. You don't see that in doctor's offices every day. Some interesting rifle casings there. Heritage collection. Marshall badges. Pretty neat.
Always have trouble with
This guy here, huh?
build up and leave it here.
Yeah, I mean, you know, to the fact
Doesn't hurt to have a little extra sanitation going on in the doctor's office. Oh, it's very nice.
get here by 2 o'clock. Now,
Took some blood, ouch. Hurts a little bit. Yay, doctor. So after going to the doctor, I'm pretty much going to have a chill day today. I've got some memory that I'm going to put into my computer, going to beat that up. Also going to go by the Apple store. I have an appointment at the Genius Bar to get my iPhone repaired. I have a few cracks in the screen. So we're going to be going on our holiday soon. In a few weeks we're going to go to Florida and to Universal Studios, so I want to make sure my phone's prepared, and going to be doing a lot of video blogging, so let's go check that out. What is this cool store? It's pretty interesting stuff in here. Huh. Let's check this out. Some Pixar stuff in here. Pizza Planet hat. Apparently some of the proceeds go to giving box lunches to children, so that's cool. You should come down here and buy stuff. Some Harry Potter stuff in here, just in time enough to go to Universal Studios soon. Maybe I can get something to fit in on there. Some cool shirts. Game of Thrones. T-shirts here. Shirts. Making the pastries. It's got some cheese Danish down there. It's amazing how many people are employed here. So many people are employed at this Apple store, it's crazy. I need one of these shirts though. Look at that sweet computer. This is what I should upgrade to for my home workstation. Beefy. So beefy. Well, I'm a little bit early for my appointment, so I'll hang out and wait, and then we'll go in and see if I get my screen fixed. Yay! Well, it's a good time to buy a Valentine's Day gift, I guess. I think I'll pick up some assorted chocolates. Alright. So many to choose from. It's very delicious. And a free caramel. Alright. I'm eating my caramel. It's a little hard to vlog right now, but I had to think of a gift for my wife. You know, I can go the cheap route or the easy route, just get a gift card, you know. Those are really bad ideas. Gift card, a really bad idea. Many reasons. But anyways, what I'm gonna do is try to pick out something nice and tasteful, something classy, something that actually shows that I put some thought into it. I already got some candy, add some flowers to that in a card, and bam. All right, this is my store right here. Live the brand you love. I'm trying to, man. Hook me up. I had some luck at Christmas time buying a gift, so let's try in here and see if I can find something.
Well,
So
don't
here's
let me
the
come out
shirt.
of it.
I'm gonna get this for my wife and see if she likes it. Can't go wrong. Chocolate and shirt. Awesome. We'll come in here, check out some skate decks. These guys always crack me up in here. I guess I'm just getting too old to be a skater. Oh, they got the Thrash shirts.
What's up, man? How are you doing?
Doing good, man.
You good?
Yeah.
What are you up to this morning?
Just checking out your store. Skate decks.
Like, if you were actually gonna skate one, this E-Flex 9.5 is pretty solid.
Yeah.
That would be the closest one we got right now.
That's a nice deck, yeah. Just because it has that shape to it.
Yeah, definitely. It's a little bit closer to the old school fit. It's not gonna be the exact same, but it's the closest fit.
I like those creature decks, man.
Dude, the creature ones are solid. The 8.8 that we had a little bit ago was a pretty different shape. It wasn't anything crazy, but it was definitely not like an OG pop store. 2.5 and 3 and 2.5. Yeah, all these ones that I have are just basic shapes.
Oh man, I got caught shopping and I'm late for my Apple appointment. I better hurry. We'll come in here, check out some skate decks. These guys always crack me up in here. I guess I'm just getting too old to be a skater.
What's up, man? How are you doing?
Doing good, man.
You good?
Yeah.
What are you up to this morning?
Just checking out your store. Skate decks.
Like, if you were actually gonna skate one, this E-Flex 9.5 is pretty solid.
Yeah.
That would be the closest one we got right now.
That's a nice deck, yeah. Just because it has that shape to it.
Yeah, definitely. It's a little bit closer to the old school fit. It's not gonna be the exact same, but it's the closest fit.
I like those creature decks, man.
Dude, the creature ones are solid. The 8.8 that we had a little bit ago was a pretty different shape. It wasn't anything crazy, but it was definitely not like an OG pop store. 2.5 and 3 and 2.5. Yeah, all these ones that I have are just basic shapes.
Oh man, I got caught shopping and I'm late for my Apple appointment. I better hurry. I think recently there was a story in the news where a guy brought an old Apple II in, one of the original Apples, where the monitor was built into the case, and they were able to get it to boot up. It's pretty cool. I give credit for that. The thing's probably like 35 years old. Leaving the Apple store, it did cost 150 bucks. Haha. So I made it back home after the Apple store, and I've been sitting here on my computer, and so you remember this bass guitar? I emailed this guy earlier, still no response. The ad's still up. I emailed him again, and definitely interested in getting my hands on this bass, but I definitely want to bring my bass amp down and try to play it, and definitely make a purchase possibly. It's in the right price range. It's a classic bass guitar. It has the look that I want, and Rickenbacker is a solid bass. He's you know, Geddy Lee loves the Rickenbacker, so. But also, I wanted to show you this. This is the couch that I bought today. I got a deal on it, Nebraska Furniture. It was on sale. So that is going to be our new couch. It's about time that we got a new one. So pretty cool. It should arrive here in about a week. Awesome. So I have some memory that I'd like to install into my computer, and with these Macs, these iMacs, it's pretty easy to do. So I'm just going to power down. Okay, I have it powered down, taken apart, disconnected. I put a little towel down there. I'm just going to grab the monitor, put it on this towel, protect it, like so. Then you got to get a screwdriver and get down here and remove this panel. They make these iMacs pretty user-friendly, so a good old Phillips head screwdriver should do the trick. Alright, and I got one available slot in there. And then I got me a chip right there, good old Chip Douglas. We're going to put Chip Douglas in here, screw it back together, and see if it boots back up. Alrighty, it's all pieced back together. Let's power it on. Oh, that is the most beautiful sound in the world. Well, there you have it. It's all beefed up, a little bit more than it was. I could still expand even higher, and maybe I should look into doing that, but for now, that'll work just fine. Well, another day well accomplished. Thanks for tagging along. I'm gonna go ahead and slap these videos together. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you think about Apple stores, and have a most excellent day.